Incremental and marginal concepts are often used in business decision-making. While marginal concept is concerned with unit change, incremental concept is concerned with bulk change. For more insurance, the change in total revenue due to the sale of one more unit of output is marginal revenue. If a firm gets additional revenue due to a new decision like use of robots instead of human labor, it is termed as incremental revenue. Incremental concept analyzes the impact of a decision on investment, production, prices, etc., and ultimately on total cost and total revenue. Thus this concept can be viewed in terms of incremental cost and incremental revenue. Due to change in the decision of an organization, total cost and total revenue will in the decision of an organization, total cost and total revenue will change. The change in total cost is called increment cost and the change in revenue is called incremental revenue. Marginal concept indicates the change in total revenue and total cost due to unit change. Marginal cost is the cost incurred in producing an additional unit of the output. It is expressed as MC equals TCN minus TCN minus 1. Similarly, marginal revenue is the addition made to the total revenue by selling one more unit of the output. It is expressed as TRN minus TRN minus 1. Revenue function is an important factor on the supply side like cost function. It refers to the sales receipts. The revenue of a firm depends upon the quantity of output sold and price per unit of the commodity. It is the total receipts earned by the firm by selling the output. It is calculated as TR equals P multiply by Q, where TR is total revenue, P is price per unit and Q is the quantity. It is the revenue obtained per unit of the output. It is expressed as R equals TR upon Q. It is the addition made to the total revenue by selling one more unit of the output. Symbolically, Mr equals TRN minus TRN minus 1.